Auckland's entire rail network has been shut down for 3 weeks to allow for significant infrastructure work. A number of projects are underway across the city, including electrification work in Pt4 and replacing dated tracks and sleepers in central Auckland. Kiwi Rail Chief Operating Officer David Gordon says repairs are aimed at bringing the network up to speed.
When the City Rail Link tunnel opens, we want the rest of the network, and that is right through to Pukekohe and right through to Swanson, to be at a much better level than it is now. So on the day of the opening of the City Rail Link, we've got the network that's capable of dealing with the traffic that it can take.
The City Rail Link is due for completion late in 2024.